How to get multi-bagger returns from stocks. This is the definition of a multi-bagger stocks.
For your consideration, the Jericho.
Why am I qualified to talk about the topics of multi-bagger stocks? In this video, I'm going to outline entirely to you, no holds bar, what you should do and what you should not do to own a multi-bagger stocks in your investment portfolio. Using Vitrox stock as an example, which I'm getting around 900% at the time of this recording, holding Vitrox stocks since day one. What strategy did I use to be able to gain 9-folds? By the way, I got two videos for you to watch after this, why value investing, in my opinion, doesn't work as well today, and the story of how it failed me big time in the past. Like my friend lost his job, right, as a tour guide during the pandemic. He then started his business in the e-commerce platform Shopee. I let you guess, how did he come to making that decision? Is it this way? Did he go like, I look at my bank account now, see how much money I have, then I start a new business that I like and I want, just because out of interest, like maybe driving a taxi, definitely driving a taxi because you say like, okay, I like driving. Or is it this way? I look at what is hot now, what is trending. Oh yeah, it's e-commerce. Well, selling stuff on Shopee and Lazada. Then I look at my bank account and see what are the stuff that I could sell or resell. In any investment disclaimer, you see this, right? Past performance is not an indicator of a future performance. Understand that stocks market is the leading indicator of the economy. So back to Vitrox stocks. I come from a background as an engineer. I have a fair understanding of the importance of vision inspection in the electronics manufacturing industry even before the pandemic, and further, Vitrox is dominating in this area in terms of market share. That's the critical piece of info that I need. For you, it could be different. You want to operate within your circle of competency when you do your own DIY investing. Of course, my knowledge in vision inspection industry just scratches the surface compared to its now billionaire founder CEO, Mr. Chu Wing, which I talk about extensively in this video. I highly recommend you watch how this admirable Malaysian, began from a humble beginning working as an engineer in a 100 square feet bedroom in Penang to now a company being listed in Bursa Malaysia, and he himself is listed in Malaysia's top 50 Forbes list. And if you have no idea what vision inspection is, which is Vitrox core business, you must watch this video. Don't waste your time poring over all complex financial instruments. A multi-bagger stocks will continue to be multi-bagger, or at least outperform the stock market it is listed in if it has a clear growth plan driven by execution and led by a visionary, competent leader. You compare Vitrox stocks with KLSE, you see? The number one factor is growth and expansion plan. In Vitrox case, it is venturing into precision smart farming.
What in the world is that?
In Chu's words, for the next 5 years, Vitrox aims to revolutionize the agriculture industry regionally by designing, creating, and promoting innovative, high-tech, smart agriculture solutions. In an interview with The Edge in July 2021, he further adds, Vitrox wants to use machine vision, artificial intelligence, and robotics to help farmers with their crops in a more sustainable and cost-effective manner. We want to provide them with the solution that will allow them to reduce as much pesticide as can grow their plants in an organic way. They are doing intensive R&D work in this area via its new subsidiary, Vitrox Agritech. Maybe a moonshot project like Google Venture?
Fuyo! But what are the benefits?
According to Chu, Vitrox solution aim to help farmers check the progress of their plants and keep track of color. At the same time, it can use Industry 4.0 sensors to detect bacteria concentration not to exceed a certain threshold so that the plants can grow healthily. A healthy plant is a happy plant, just like this. See? My video editor just draw this for you. Okay, Chu didn't actually say that. A healthy plant is a happy plant. I add salt, pepper, sugar, and chili one, Funny, right? No? Lame joke? Lang siu. Then he said he's going to design a real-life Skynet to harvest crops and do food inspection. No, he actually said robots, but I imagine it would be looking like this. Terminator, Cyborg, I'll be back. Or the Sentinels from X-Men. Funny, right? Funny? No? My second attempt to joke failed again? Lame. Okay lor, don't want to joke already. Bye bye.
Why don't successful companies like Vitrox, can't they just rest on their laurels and bask in the glory of their stock's price success? Why so sifat han, buntut gatau, itchy ass want to venture into this new territory?
If making money is the definition of success, founder CEO Chu has made it. Why he still says this? To me, Vitrox is still on day one. There is still a lot, and I mean a lot of things for us to accomplish. We want to contribute the advancement of society and the well-being of humankind through compassionate innovation, to be the driving force for good. See, my bro and sis, that is the epitome, how to pronounce this word, epitome of an overachiever company, the hallmark of a multi-bagger stocks. Get it?
Hey, Mr. Chu, who you think you are? Driving force for good. The force is strong within you, is it? You are a Jedi, man. Watch too much Star Wars, is it?
People talk serious, you don't kepoci, okay? Blah blah, pergi main jauh-jauh.
Hey, Uncle Liu, you mean jiao jiao, not jiao jiao. Intonation you have to watch. Jiao jiao means kuku jiao already.
Oh boy. Anyway, I for one do not feel that these are just management talks. He really meant it. You can feel it. He walked the talk. He puts his money where his mouth is. I think they will dominate in this area. Many firms will overlook this smart precision farming because guess what? Some companies just want easy money, like setting up glove making factories. Come on, man, shit. Companies who are just in for the money. See? That's why the stock's price still depressed lor. In the same interview with The Edge, I noticed something very ironic. For a stock that has gone up to the moon since its listing in 2005, he said he does not read too much into the share price performance of his own company. It is just, for him, a stock valuation given by the market. What? I think other people care more about the stock price, but not the guy who owns a majority stake in the company. And then you have these stock market gurus in their YouTube ads that try to convince you that their stock software can predict when the stock is going to go up and by how much. Come on, man, shit. I cannot promise investors that Vitrox will be making more profits in the coming years. Neither can he assure them of any capital appreciation. His words, not mine. He just holds on to this principle. Continue to do what they are good at. Continue to do good to the world given the resources and the opportunity Vitrox has right now. So don't invest in Vitrox no, unless you believe in the company's vision, because rightfully so, Vitrox cannot choose who invests in its stocks. But Chu said he most welcome investors who are in line with their ideology of doing business at the same time doing good to the world, which is his core belief and the company core belief. Focus on the cause, a good cause, continue doing that every day and the results will come later. Just like CF Liu channel on a micro scale action a bit, can or not? Chu wraps up the interview with The Edge, which by the way, you should subscribe to The Edge if you are a serious investor. Now he said that I hope our story can inspire and influence more people to do wonderful things in the world. Surely your story has inspired me even more and a lot more people, and it humanizes the company. I hope you live long and stay well, and you mind if I say hi to you while you're at Queensbury Mall? I saw you a few times already in the past. Now if you have found this video both informative and entertaining, how about giving this video a like, and for more videos hit on the subscribe button. Not to forget, I want to further share with you this, but well, let me know if you're going to return to CF Liu channel to watch the upcoming episode. I see Vitrox stocks or any stocks here that you are looking at so expensive already. Can still buy meh? When and how to make a decision to sell a multi-bagger stock that you are holding. And 3 is how to exit a stock or to take profit the fastest before other investors out there in the market. Comments below. But if you have the privilege to work one-on-one with me on investment advisory in the future, just look at the bucket loads of testimonials of clients that we have over here, or you're already an existing client, then ask me this exact question so I can address it in your context. And when you love my video so much and sincerely want to support me by joining CF Liu channel insider membership from as low as 10 ringgit per month. For the time being, YouTube thinks these are the related videos you want to watch.